Weather portion of Ag Week now, the general outlook as we look into the middle part of March. And we're starting to see tornadoes and storm outbreaks across parts of the southern and even central, or at least south central United States. The main rain pattern is still confined to mostly those same areas. It's the southeastern United States. But overall, much of the nation in a warmer than average weather pattern. Let's take a look at the pattern that is causing it. Obviously, some chilly weather moving back into the northern plains this weekend, but a lot of the United States is either fairly mild or actually downright warm, even a little toasty in parts of South Texas. Early in the week, there'll be a brief intrusion of colder weather, cold meaning below freezing highs, down in through North Dakota and much of the Great Lakes area, but that will not last long. And as we go through the week, a little bit of a surge of warmth out of the south. As the cold retreats, we'll be setting up another round of, as you'll see in a moment, some stormy weather across the mid-south and southeastern parts of the United States. By the end of the week, it's not even going to be that cold anywhere in the United States. The cold weather, the below freezing weather, will be largely retreated back into Canada, except for maybe a few spots in the higher elevations of the west. Now, the second week, what we're going to see is not a lot of change in the overall pattern. The south will probably get a little bit warmer, as it will toward mid-March. The Arctic air and the cold weather will continue to retreat, and the general warmer than average temperature pattern is likely to continue through the middle of the month. But with that in mind, the only area getting especially wet and stormy will be the lower and eastern parts of the Corn Belt. But the heaviest of this is going to be the southern part, where it looks very stormy. Now, there will be some snows out in the northern Rockies, rain in the Pacific Northwest, and that will continue into the second week here as we go through middle March. But the wet weather will be in mostly the same areas. Much of the northern plains, maybe not precipitation free, but generally dry.